Hey, what's going on YouTube? We're coming outside for a little bit. Just changed out the ESC for a new one. There have been ghosting problems before, so hopefully we'll find out if this fixes it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go over here down the street. We can do some little rips. I know last time I thought it was the throttle. I thought it was the controller, but do some little rips and stuff like that. Seems to be good for now. But yeah, we had issues with it before, so not too bad. So, alright, this car's coming. Oh, wet dirt. I mean, wet pavement today. It's been raining, so. But yeah, it looks good for now. So, hopefully you guys like this video. Like it, please. Subscribe to the channel. Help us out. All right, man. Check you out later.